So this is the 2.5 liter ultrasonic cleaning machine. Once you open the machine, take out all the accessories from the machine. Now along with the machine you will also get a power cord. So let's fix the power cord. So make sure that the power cord is secured tightly and the connection is not loose. Now after securing the power cord, we'll be filling water inside the tank. Now you can see that there is a minimum and a maximum water level indicator. So you don't have to fill the water below the minimum mark or above the maximum mark. So here I'm using the 2 liter beaker and I'm pouring water. So I'm filling the water just barely a few inches below the maximum mark. So now I can switch on the machine. Now after you switch on the machine, the first thing you should be doing is to press the TC button here. So TC is the temperature controller. Once you press the TC button, you can see the small light. So this means that the heater is activated inside the tank. Now here you can see 60 written on the display panel. This is basically 60 seconds. So you can set up the timer, which will go up to 480 seconds and bring it back to 60 seconds. So now I'm adding a small cleaning chemical. It's a soap-based solution. It's around 100 ml. Usually we require not more than 100 ml with this small machine. And for the purpose of demo, I'll be using this machine to clean my glasses. So let me put my glasses here. I'll put it inside the machine and I'll switch on the on button. So that sound will tell you that the cleaning cycle is over. So I'll take out my glasses now and see how they look. Okay. Thank you for watching the video.